I'm going to show you how to join a Zoom meeting using a computer or laptop. There are different ways to join Zoom meetings. You can use your phone, and I will do another video to show you that. This demonstration assumes that you've got an invitation from your teacher as an email. So this is my email inbox, and you can see here I've got two messages from a teacher called Joe Dixon. That would be your teacher's name there. I've got two because I'm going to show you two different ways that the message might look. So there may be a short message from your teacher and a link. This is a link to click on to take you to the meeting where you will meet your teacher and the other members of your class. I'm just going to go back and show you the other message, because depending on your email and depending on your teacher's email system, it may look like this. It may be turned into a picture and a link that has a message on it. Please join our Cloud HD video meeting now. So, but in either case, it's something that you can click on to join your class. So let's see what happens when we click. This Zoom is for live online classes. So the meeting will be at a specific time, and your teacher will actually be there. You'll be able to see or hear your teacher and talk to the teacher and the other members of the class. Now my computer has launched Zoom in Google Chrome. It does work in other browsers, and you can see it says here launching. It's trying to run Zoom, but because this is the first time I've used it, it can't yet. It's waiting for me to do something. It's waiting for me to either download and run Zoom. So if a box pops up or something else that says, do you want to download and install, you can go ahead and download Zoom. If nothing pops up, like I've got here, you can click on the link to download, or if you prefer not to download it, you can click here, and another click will let you join the meeting from your web browser, in my case from Google Chrome. I'm going to do this because if I join from my browser, I don't have to have a Zoom account. I don't have to enter my email address or anything in Zoom. I can just join the meeting without giving Zoom any of my details. So this might be a good idea if you think that signing up to a Zoom account, giving your email address, is going to be difficult, or if you just don't want to give them your email address. And you can see that's taken me straight into the meeting. Sometimes it may say that it's waiting to join, that the meeting's starting a little bit later. If you're a few minutes early, it will show you a different page while it waits for your teacher to start the meeting, and then it will let you in to this screen. Now on my screen you can just see the teacher's name, Joe Dixon, because the teacher's video is not on, but you may see your teacher's face here. You might see him or her talking to you and waving at you. And if I click join audio by computer, Zoom will use my speakers or my headphones, if I've got headphones plugged in, to allow me to hear what my teacher and what other members of the class are saying. I can also click here if I want to start the video. If I've got a webcam, I can show my face to the other members of the class and to my teacher. And if everybody does that, there will be lots of little video screens in this space where you can see the other members of your class. Now this is quite fun, it's quite nice when we can't get together in our usual classes. It's quite nice to be able to see each other. But you don't have to. You can keep this video turned off and just talk if you want to, so that people can hear you but not see you. And if you do turn it on, please just be aware of what is in the background that other people can see, and just make sure that they can't see anything that you would be embarrassed about, that your family members are not going to walk in their underpants behind you, and that they can't see anything that reveals your personal information, your home address or anything, if you wouldn't want people seeing that. It's not a public meeting, it is private between your class and your teacher, but there may be things, if you're not careful, there may be things behind you that you wouldn't want them to see. So think about where you are when you're joining. When you're finished, just click leave the meeting, leave meeting, and you're done. I have an option to end the meeting because I'm the teacher.